Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a really simple beginner friendly eye look. This one right here. I used 4 shadows and it's really simple to do. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for my smoky eye, today I'm going to use this Makeup Addiction Sinful Eyes palette. I have my eyelids primed because I use concealer on my eyes. So we're ready for eyeshadow. I'm going to take my trusty Sigma E25 blending brush. By the way, I have an affiliate code with Sigma. You can use my code raluca10 on the Sigma website. I'm going to take the Naked Lunch shade from the Sinful Eyes palette, which is like light brown. I'm going to take it on my Sigma brush, dust off the excess, and start blending this color into my crease. I'm mainly concentrating on the outer corner because I'm not going to apply eyeliner today. I'm taking it on the lower lash line as well, all the way to my inner portion, and just blending with circular motions. Pick up some more to intensify, just layering up the shadow. This is the best thing that you can do to make sure that you have a seamless blend. And connecting the bottom part with the top part here, blending, blending, blending. I'm taking the next shade, which is the Shameless shade, this darker brown here, and I'm taking it on a Sigma E44 firm blender brush. It's slightly smaller than the first one, but as the name says, it's more firm. And I'm taking it mainly into the outer corner, but extending on the lid as well. And again, blending. Same thing for the bottom lid. My brain stopped for a second there. Concentrating into the outer corner, like again connecting the upper part and the lower part here. I'm taking the first brush again and blending a little bit more, blending the 2 colors together. I actually started this look by thinking that I will leave it an all matte look, but I really want to try this Vanilla Spice shade, which is a really pretty goldish shade, and I'm taking it on my fingers and applying that right here into the inner portion of the eye. And then I'm taking the... where's my brush? Where's my brush? I lost my brush again. I guess this one works too. No, I found it. So the Sigma E25 brush again. And I'm just buffing the edges so it doesn't look harsh. Here on the upper side as well. I want to add some more intensity to this look. So I'm taking this Morphe E80, it's 18, Morphe E18 brush, yay! And I'm taking the black shade, which is called Night Moves, just the tiniest bit. not too much, really wipe off that excess. And I want to add some intensity to this outer corner especially. And just blend it with the brown. Same thing on the lower lash line. I'm taking the E44 brush again, the one that I used to apply the dark brown, and coming over the black. Again, blending. Okay, so now for my inner corner, I'm going to apply the same Vanilla Spice shade on this e.l.f. concealer brush, it says, but I don't use it for concealer. And I'm highlighting my inner corner. But at this point I'm questioning whether or not I should apply a black pencil on my waterline. I don't know. I think I should. Maybe I should. This one is the Boysenberry's eyeliner pencil in the shade black something. So I'm applying this to my waterline. I like how this gives the illusion of a fuller lash. And I'm probably not going to apply false lashes for this makeup look. I'm taking a curling one and curling my lashes. I'm going to use this Essence, the False Lashes Mascara, and like Essence mascaras are the best and they are so affordable. I'm applying most of it on the base of my lashes and then extending towards the end. Okay, so to complete this look I need to apply a lipstick, Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lipstick. This is in the shade Messy and Fierce, and I actually love this formula, the liquid catsuit. It's just so amazing, and I wanted to try this shade, this red shade, because I've seen it online and it looked really beautiful. And we're testing it out today. Like, this formula is so long lasting, and I really love this small applicator. Look how it basically, it's like a hug to your lips. It's such a beautiful shade, like a true red. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I forgot to mention, if you're interested in how I did my base makeup, it's already on my channel, the video with all the details. And I will link it down below in the description. And that's it. If you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram at raluca.makeup. I upload a lot of tutorials there. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!